Good morning, afternoon, or evening, everyone. My name is Josmar Gabriel Herrera Calderon. I'm leader of the project team and development of the mobile application called My Homework. I will introduce the members of the development of this application.
Hello, my name is Francisco Ortiz. I am part of the front-end development team of this application.
Hi everyone, my name is Daniel Hernandez, and I am a front-end developer from My Homework.
Hello, my name is Ruben Joil, and I'm part of the back team.
Hello everybody, my name is Pedro González.
Hello, my name is Julio.
The reason to create the project is this application is as we are a student, we had never seen mobile application of this type and only web page are found. We decided to take the idea of sales of documents or academic archives and make it a mobile application, and that can be in a greater scope by all the that is on mobile. Also, that it will help students not only to learn but also to generate a commission for their contribution and the help I will give to other students of different educational streams, middle school, high school, or university. Uh, Description of the features and use. The app will seek the exchange of not tasks or academic codes. Is the app it would offer university, high school, or middle school students to upload files or documents going through a base of notes, previous exam, book summaries, reading notes, study kits, case studies, etc. These are exercises that can be useful, classified by school, career, course, and subject. The app would present an option to upload the documents or files that we want to sell. When the documents or file is uploaded, and description and the price for sales must be added. The app would allow you to upload any number of files as long as we are the authors. For continuation with my development college, we will explain the parts of the application and the administrative part of this.
I'll be talking about the develop of the login and sign-in screens that are necessary because our application is a platform in which people can buy and sell their homeworks, and for that reason the user must be logging. Our application has a simple screen in which you only need a username and password for login, and if you are a new user, you only need to put your name, your last name, your email, and create a password. The development of the registration and login screens is very simple. It only consists of text fields to enter data and a button to login or register respectively. We are developing in Flutter, which allows use to develop multi-platform applications with native performance. This allows use to develop for different platforms such as Android, iOS, and web through a single block of code written in Dart. Why did we choose Flutter? Well, Flutter enables us to develop applications faster by providing us with a set of tools in order to streamline both application development and performance. For example, Stateful Hot Reload by Flutter. Stateful Hot Reload allows us to make changes to our code and have this change instantly reflected in our preview of our application. Hot Reload increases development speeds and can make us up to 3 times more productive. And that's it.
Next, I will present the task section of the app. In this section, we can see the list of all documents for sale by other users. In this list, you can see some relevant information about the document so that the user has an idea about the type of document. It shows the name of the author of the document, career, and institution where she is studying, title of the assignment for sale, date of the document, and finally the cost of the document. Selecting any of them will take us to another section of the application where we will see the document in detail. Here we will be able to see a brief description of the document as well as preview of it. Additionally, some extra data about the author and the cost of the document are shown. Once we chosen the document to buy, we go to the section to make the payment. Next, we will see a brief description of the charge to make. We fill the different data of the form as in any online purchase. Once complete this information, we proceed to make the purchase. We wait for the confirmation, and ready we will have acquired the document. Later, this will be available in the section of the purchase made.
The profiles part is where the user, when registering or logging in, will be able to see their information and being able to edit them is necessary. It should be noted that the information is personal and is intended in its next update to future maximize the security of the application. This shows the part of tags purchased and uploaded by the user to able to access them when necessary by the user. Also, as already said, you can upload documents where the user will out a questionnaire and may include information about what costs and also price.
My part was to design the login and the registration page or our registration pages, so we can administrate and do some injuries and consults in our database. So the first, we asked our administrators to register first with her name, like Julio Perez, an email, and an easy password. Okay, the next is enter with her name and password previous registered. So we can enter to our administrator page. With this administration page, we can administrate our application to be able to give the permissions and upload the files we be sold in our app. So that's the end of my explanation of this part. So I'll let you to another partner to explain another part of these administration pages. Thank you for your attention. Goodbye.
I come to talk about the front end. And before I will explain this part of the website, what is the front end? Front end is the part which then the user can see. As we can see, I have administrator users, and to access a login is necessary get a Gmail and password and click on start session. After the call, see your information on the screen. That is the menu. As we can call menu hamburguesa. Is dashboard, we can see you how many people is connect on the moment, and it's not stay on. Is we click in view user, we access and the other part of the screen we call see the folio, username, a view document, and user status. Is we click in view document, the name is view. We can see the all documents about the user upload on this site. And user status, we can click on and we can delete user. The red point change the color, and green we can the user be activate and disactivate. Below be similar, view subtitle request, and as we can see on the screen, we can accept the submitted unreclaimed or view document. We can compare this app as come out on the apps store, so we like to create new things.
I play the backend part of the administration page. I take care of the function either by showing the data to website with required using the PHP language. Since this language in the most used worldwide data science, it also we use SQL to save the data that is sent through the application, and it store the and as it is the admin part. It is charge of displaying it, and in question of the document the administration can accept and require the document through function and query. I also take care of showing all use table, and the admin is charge of blocking the use. I also take care of the login functionality for the administration to enter signs all this invalidate.
Advantage and disadvantage. With the scene of the week, can say that on the advantages is that the application is to be able to generate an income with your tax. The students among them help each other with assignment, exam, questionnaire, and so that they can give feedback on topics that perhaps for one is a little difficult. Also, a serious dis- disadvantage that could be seen in a bad way since on made things that is would promote vagrancy towards the student since they could get the answer of the stacks without striving. But what the apps has started before its purpose is more educational than just selling a segment and being able to give a reach to user to able to learn and reward their effort to fulfill as a student. Uh, our goal for the marketing of the application is to a student, male or female, from academic level from middle school, high school, university, who want to be able to take advantage of their task, exam, documents, and thus not only able to help others, but also be able to generate an income from it. For the cost of developing the application is its planet that it would be up to 50,000 for its development, and you could recover what you have planned is with what has already been said, that is with the sales of task with the price that for the task the user will receive by commission the 4% of the sales of the user. And so in this way we would again some gain for the maintenance and improvement of the application, also adding advertising that is not annoying for the user. Uh, it is also not intended that the app were to be locally launched, but that it will be global to able to reach more users from other parts of the world. Thank you for your attention and see our presentation until the end. Bye.